Faith, it doesn't necessarily make me a better athlete performance-wise, I would say, but it's more like the mentality of, so say I have a bad meet, say I have a bad game, I'm able to lean on Jesus more, lean on Christ more, and just be able to be okay with knowing that I'm not perfect. That's the whole premise of being a Christian, is we're not perfect, like we need Jesus. So when I have a bad meet or race, whatever it might be, I'm able to just have that reminder that I'm not gonna be perfect, I'm not gonna be number one every time, I'm not gonna get first every time. I'm not even always gonna perform my best, and that's okay. Athletics has helped me share my faith more just because being in a team environment, whether it's soccer or track, it's such a close-knit community of people, and like especially at Gordon, knowing that you're surrounded by Christian athletes, it's much easier, it's much more comfortable, it's much easier to be vulnerable in a team setting.